Welcome to ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation's installation guidance video. This is a series of videos demonstrating how to correctly install insulation. This video shows how to install ROCKWOOL pipe sections on a bend. You need the required personal protection, the right tools in good condition, work permit, and the surface of the equipment you wish to insulate must be clean and dry. It is easy to use pipe sections for insulating a bend. First, you cut two segments for the start and end positions. To get the right angles, you use a template. The number of segments depends on the diameter of the pipe, the radius of the bend, and the thickness of the insulation. For this 6-inch pipe, the installer uses 5 segments. When all segments are cut, they are placed on the bend close to each other without gaps. The seam is placed facing downwards. To tighten the insulation, a binding wire is used for each segment. Stick the ends into the wool. Alternatively, you can use prefabricated pipe bend. Use cladding to protect the insulation against mechanical damage and weather.